Dreaming of being your own boss? Well, don't let it stay a dream, because we are sure that this AI hustle will help you earn some hefty sum. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to make more of your dreams come true with us. Step 1. Collecting source image. After choosing the proper generative image model, carefully select your source image. This requires selecting a photograph that represents the attributes you want for your AI influencer. Consider face expression, posture, and general aesthetics that are consistent with your intended identity. After you've found the perfect source image, use the platform's picture producing and canvas editor features. These tools assist you in fine-tuning and editing various aspects of the image, ensuring that it reflects your imagination for your own AI influencer. Factors such as authenticity and credibility should be taken into consideration. Although you might feel like your AI influencer needs to be perfect and flawless, it is necessary to keep in mind that for it to be realistic, you should keep the raw factors and flaws a normal human being has. Next up, you'll need to look for an open-source generative platform. It is critical to select models that specialize in realistic outputs. Stable Diffusion XL, Juggernaut XL, and Leonardo Photo AI are currently among the top platforms for producing hyper-realistic images. But we personally recommend Leonardo AI for its vast abilities that are highly needed for creating a relatable AI influencer. On opening the site, you will be given an interface with various options, as well as a gallery of images created by users of the community. Although most of these images might look tempting, not all are appropriate for the tile. However, you should have absolute control over the creative process, being attentive in the image generation process, and using editing tools in Canvas to produce a source image you had in mind. More than flawless, perfect influencers, viewers are attracted to influencers with whom they can relate. Therefore, small flaws and imperfections make them more appealing. Your source image is purely based on the audience's preference. Therefore, altering the source image to attract the target audiences and their interests can help increase your reach and engagement in comparison to competitors. Remember to make the most of these tools while producing an image. Experiment with different combos, features, and more. But make sure to be ethical. It will be useful for you as well. Do not copy others' work, and let your audience know the virtual nature of your influence to avoid any lack of transparency. Therefore, first and foremost, you should be well aware of these AI tools so that we can proceed on to our next step. Step 2. Creating the image. The most important part in the procedure of creating an AI influencer persona is developing a realistic AI. The first step is to select the picture generation option, which is the crucial point in developing your AI influencer. Once enabled, a screen displays, providing a space on which prompts and criteria can be input to guide the AI in the desired direction. In this case, the cue was clear and vivid. A lovely 26-year-old blonde woman with blue eyes staring directly at the camera. This specific command acts as a blueprint for the AI to create 8 different versions of the desired character. The results, as you described them, are purely authentic, blurring the distinction between developed and realistic images. Each interpretation captures the essence of the given persona, offering a variety of possibilities from which the best portrayal can be chosen. Choosing the face that best represents your AI influencer is a critical decision because it sets the tone for the character's digital presence. Each generated face should be thoroughly analyzed, taking into account factors such as facial expressions, personality, and overall visual attractiveness. Furthermore, matching the chosen face to the target audience's tastes and standards is crucial for improving engagement and resonance. Once a face has been chosen, the foundation for a consistent online image begins. This entails gathering material, creating a compelling backstory, and constructing the persona's voice and behaviors. The chosen face's seamless integration into this cohesive framework reinforces the AI influencer's identity, boosting genuineness and relevance in his or her interactions with the audience. In conclusion, while choosing a face for your AI influencer may seem straightforward, the effects are far-reaching. It represents the birth of a digital persona who goes beyond the virtual sphere and interacts with viewers on an intimate level. Using the power of AI-generated graphics, you embark on a journey to create a compelling story and forge lasting connections in the ever-changing world of digital influence. Step 3. Consistency. After gaining consistency in your AI influencer profile, the next step is creating unique contents. You can confidently go forward with content creation and engagement initiatives. This includes creating eye-catching captions, engaging with followers, and strategically sharing content to optimize reach and effect. You should maintain uniformity in and analyze the algorithm of how social media works, such as posting at a consistent time with engaging comments. Remember to be adaptive and responsive to audience input, constantly improving your strategy to achieve long-term growth and success in the changing world of influencer marketing. After installing Discord and naming your server, for instance, let it be your influencer, you can add the Midjourney bot and a face swap bot from GitHub. You can easily create various photos just by swapping your AI influencer's face by using this method. So why work hard when you can do smart work? Now, once you have got that consistency, you can proceed with Step 4. Monetization. OnlyFans was a concept highly popularized during the time of pandemic. Traditionally, it was only done by attractive influencers until now. Now, an increasing number of faceless, tech-savvy designers are attempting to demonstrate that they can perform the job just as well as AI, which means you can do it as well. While Instagram sponsorships and shoutouts might be profitable, extending to platforms like OnlyFans or fan viewing can drastically boost your earnings. Most picture producers suppress NSFW content, but Civit AI provides an alternative with a variety of uncensored models. Here, you can design and apply your AI influencer's face to any form of material, ensuring brand consistency even in adult-oriented photos. Paying attention to details such as moles or skin features is critical. Even if there are any defects, it can be corrected utilizing Leonardo Photo AI's Canvas editor for a flawless finish. Step 5. Not just photos. If you maintain a consistent stream of photos, you will be rewarded with monetization. So if photos are a success, then why not videos? Yeah, let's give it a try. When you expand your contents beyond images, you are exposed to even more monetization opportunities and engaging interactions with audiences. You could do this by producing innovative and engaging video contents using applications such as Pabs. While there is still space for improvement, their swift advancement speaks up for a promising advancement in the field of AI influencers becoming vloggers as well. Who knows? Maybe AI influencers could even become celebrities or movie stars in the near future. As AI research progresses at a breakneck pace, the possibility of this scenario becoming a reality is believable. As the demands for videos and vlogs by AI influencers as well alongside the advancements in artificial intelligence, AI influencers will definitely inspire the social media world with their attractive contents. What an AI influencer can do. This is for those who still doubt the benefits an AI influencer side hustle can get you. The potential of an AI influencer is far beyond what you have imagined. These incredible models can do brand collaboration and sponsorship. AI influencers might work with brands to promote their products or services. They may be compensated through sponsorships, which allow them to advocate or feature the brand's offerings in their material, which means your AI influencer's earnings equal to your earning. So why lose the advantage of collaborating with brands? Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows influencers to earn commissions on sales produced by their content. They typically offer unique affiliate links or discount codes in their posts or videos. So if their followers use those links or codes, the influencer receives a share of the sale. This is the most effective strategy since the consumer mindset is based on the views of someone who fits the standard. Products and services. Some AI influencers create and market their own products or services. For example, an AI influencer who specializes in fitness may develop a fitness app or an AI-generated workout plan and sell it to their followers, which means earn money by doing what you enjoy. Donations and crowdfunding. Your AI influencers can also use this platform to raise funds through donations from their followers or crowdsourcing platforms. This model is frequently utilized by AI influencers that provide useful, instructive, or informational content. Event appearances and speaking engagements. Successful AI influencers may be asked to speak at conferences, industry events, and other public gatherings. They might make money by charging appearance fees or giving keynote speeches. Who knows, maybe you could even become a prominent figure someday. Merchandise. Many artificial intelligence influencers monetize their brand by selling stuff such as apparel, accessories, or digital products like stickers. Just sit back and design some t-shirts and accessories while your followers show support through purchasing your product. While this might seem like a joke, we are not trying to fool you. AI is developing each day, and utilizing it in effective ways will only benefit you. So why not try out this AI side hustle when there is nothing to lose and you could make $10,000 by using this AI influencer business? Comment down your thoughts on this incredible AI influencer side hustle in the comments section below. If you like to create content that is rather aimed at kids instead, find out how to make money with AI animated videos for kids.